firstly I went into the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and went into this green shade and shaded in one of my eyes, and then I went into the red shade and shaded the other eye in. And then using the opposite colours I shaded above each eye because I wanted to create a bit of a smudgy artistic effect. I also added a bit of green to the nose and red to the upper lip. I then went into this custom split cake which I got from eBay for a Cinco De Mayo event I did last year, and I just added a festival-y design to my forehead. Just want to say, ignore the red smudge above my lip. It looks like I've drawn a moustache on, but it's just meant to be like a smudgy effect once I'd put my lipstick on, and then once I'd done that it looked fine. But anyway, I went into the Diamond FX metallic green and added design and darkened the green areas. I then went into the Mehron Paradise paint in the colour Beach Berry, which is a bright red colour, and I darkened the red areas as with this split cake it's a bit pale. It actually looks a bit like a Twister lolly, not the Mexican flag, and I added dots and lines to create this festival-y inspired face paint. And then using a black eyeliner, but you could always just use black face paint and a fine brush, I went in and added some details. I wanted to create the design on my chest as well, so I went into the same eyeshadows and blended them in. I added some double dip flowers in red and green to match the design. I added some white dots to make it look a bit prettier, and then I also went back into the red paint and added red dots and details. I also added some details in black so that it matched the face, and then I applied some glitter, red and green with some glitter gel, and then it was finished. The stupid red line above my lip was still there. I think when it came round to taking pictures I realised and I blended it in. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!